Hello friends, my name is Kapil Goyal, and in this tutorial I will teach you how can you insert record using Eloquent and how can you update the record using Eloquent. Now I am going to define a root insert, and here I am changing this function name insert. Now we will create a function with this name. Now I am going to delete the old one. Now I am going to create a new function. Now here we will define a variable new blog. Now we will make the object like this. Now first column is title. Here you can see the title. We will insert a record in the blogs. So this is the column name, and we will create the object of this variable. Now Eloquent title. Now next one is content. This is Eloquent content. Now we will use same method for this. Now use this variable and save, and now if I save this and run this and change the URL, here you can see our code is working fine. Now if I refresh this, you will see a new record here, as you can see. Now here you can see the created at date and updated at date also. Now if I want to add a new record, then we can change the data here. Now if I refresh this again, now you will see a new record here. As you can see, here is a new record. Now I want to update this record by the Eloquent. Now what will I do? Now remove this new, and here you will use the find method. Now the last ID, I want to update this record using Eloquent. Now we will copy the ID of this and paste it here. Now if I save this and change the title and content updated. Now if I save this and run our code, then you will see the updated record here. Refresh. Now here you can see the updated record here. You can use this method for updating. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.